It's been the haves and have-nots when it comes to moisture across Minnesota. Spotty heavy rains have fallen on some parts of Minnesota, while the bulk of the state is dry and in need of rain. University of Minnesota corn agronomist Jeff Coulter says it's been an unusual spring.
We had this kind of a small planting window in late April, early May, and then we had a lot of wet weather between, about May 5 and May 15. And then after that, we had some replanting occurring and some first planting occurring then. And this year, there was just a lot of replanting.
Tom Hoverstedt with the Southern Minnesota Research and Outreach Center in Waseca says following a wet start, conditions in the area have turned dry.
May brought us too much rain for about a 2-week stretch. People had to replant, some drowned outs, flooding. Then all of a sudden it stopped. We've only had about a half-inch of rain since the middle of May. That's going on 5 weeks now. So very dry in June. We're up to just under a half-inch of rain in June. Only one time in history since, and we have over 100 years records, have we been under an inch in June. So we are very dry.
While rain has been in short supply for many areas of the state, there is subsoil moisture that crops can tap into. And despite dry conditions, Coulter says the corn crop is holding its own.
What we're seeing now is we've only had a half-inch of rain since May 15, so it's pretty dry, but the subsoil moisture there's moisture down there, but the top is dry, and we're starting to see some leaf rolling in some fields. So we see some drought stress now. The farmers are concerned about that, but the good news is that we can experience some drought stress now with really minimal impact on yield. So we don't have to worry much, about that drought stress until probably a couple weeks from now.
So for farmers, we're hearing a lot of reports about spotty conditions. Some are very happy, some are still waiting for rain, and everything in between. This is Lynn Ketelsen reporting.